Move over, Moondoggie. Surf's up at the coast. And if the waves are breaking just right, you're likely to spot Brad Lomax hanging 10 out there with the crew. This surfer turned restaurateur is one of the fortunate few who's figured out a way to combine his lifelong passion for surfing, seafood, and the Texas coast. The result? One totally tubular sensation at Water Street Market. And you still get out there, right?
I still get out there. It's not pretty. I still paddle out. How about that?
Water Street is an awesome conclave of coastal-inspired venues. The flagship oyster bar is family-friendly, complete with a cresting tarpon and a flirty floor-to-ceiling mermaid.
Water Street is amazing.
The Executive Surf Club right next door sports a laid-back party vibe with live music 6 days a week. Here, big juicy burgers earn bragging rights, along with cheesy nachos and 40 beers on tap.
We're here every Tuesday night.
Also on site, a sleek, cozy sushi bar and Brad's pet project, the one and only Texas Surf Museum. More about that in a minute.
I love it. I love the ambiance and just everything about it. It's awesome.
Paul Griffith is the big kahuna watching over Water Street's Scratch Kitchen and the guy that cooked up that awesome bacon-wrapped shrimp. It nestles up to crisp green beans.
We stuff it with our signature crab mix that we use for our crab cakes. And we finish them by letting them rest on the grill to pick up some of the mesquite flavors.
Then rip into these righteous oysters Rockefeller, made with spinach, onions, and vermouth, topped with a slice of jack cheese.
These are probably the best oysters I've had in a long time. Very good.
My longtime favorite here, a dish that'll turn your taste buds upside down. Paul's Shrimp Picayune. I'm okay if you tell me this has like 5,000 calories because it's worth it.
No, it's totally healthy and low.
Really?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, not even a little bit.
That's all right. This Cajun-inspired creation starts with Water Street's signature garlic butter, then sweet Gulf shrimp.
And this is the sauce right here. Clarified butter, Worcestershire, oregano, thyme, cayenne. There's a lot of good stuff in here.
There's a little bit of sweetness, just a hint.
Yep, that's going to be that's the brown sugar that's in there with the clarified butter.
The dish is garnished with green onions, parsley, and a twist of lemon. It is so good. That sauce is divine. You could drink it. So how did you decide to get into the restaurant business?
You know, Tanji, I waited tables when I was in college. I got a real job and hated it. And I missed...
In the business, like, suit world?
Yeah, I was wearing a suit and working in Houston for a small investment banking firm. And, you know, I missed the restaurant business. I missed the hustle, I missed the activity, I missed the people.
So Brad tossed the suit and returned to the restaurant world, dreaming of the day he could open his own place.
So I moved to Corpus in 1982.
And the rest is restaurant history.
The rest is history, and you can read every line on this page.
Yeah, it's one of the hardest businesses, I think, in the world.
It is. One of the frustrating things is that it's always changing, and one of the beautiful things about it that I love is that it's always changing.
I'm Richard, by the way. I don't know if I met you yet.
Brad's son Richard has been riding the Water Street wave for the past 4 years.
I'd just gotten out of college and went into the oil and gas field and moved to Houston, the big concrete jungle.
You did what your dad did.
Yeah, exactly. And it was kind of a repeat story. It was like, yeah, that's a big concrete jungle.
Richard runs things here and at the Executive Surf Club.
What's great about this concept is, you'll see, literally you'll see nuns from the convent here sitting next to punk rockers and then people, that were surfing that morning. It's just such a broad appeal. Everyone loves the beach. Everyone loves burgers, beer, and nachos. So it's been great.
Now, about that one-of-a-kind surf museum.
Well, most of the stuff we focus on boards made by Texans in Texas.
Like the first surfboard ever made in Texas. Longboards, shortboards, even a surfboard signed by the Beach Boys. You can also walk along the Wall of Fame with the who's who of Texas surfing. So get stoked. It's an endless summer every day at Water Street.
I'd say definitely come down here, try it out.